अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम टू इजी सेंटेंसेस। ये सेंटेंसेस बहुत आसान है। साथ साथ पढ़ते जाइए और सुनते जाइए। ये सेंटेंसेस उर्दू में भी है और अंग्रेजी में भी, सिर्फ आपके लिए। चलो शुरू करते हैं। माई सिस्टर इज काइंड। मेरी बहन मेहरबान है। माई सिस्टर इज काइंड। She makes me laugh. वो मुझे हंसाती है. She makes me laugh. I trust her. मुझे उस पे भरोसा है. I trust her. She helps me. वो मेरी मदद करती है. She helps me. She is strong. वो मजबूत है. She is strong. My sister is fun. मेरी बहन मजाक करती है. My sister is fun. She cares a lot. वो बहुत ख्याल रखती है. She cares a lot. She is smart. वो होशियार है. She is smart. I look up to her. मैं इसकी तरफ देखती हूँ. I look up to her. She is always there. वो हमेशा मौजूद है. She is always there. She is brave. वो बहादुर है. She is brave. She is creative. वो तख्लीक की है. She is creative. She cheers me up. वो बहुत ख्याल रखती है. She cheers me up. She works hard. वो मेहनत करती है. She works hard. She is honest. वो ईमानदार है. She is honest. She is supportive. वो महून है. She is supportive. She is thoughtful. वो सोचने वाली है. She is thoughtful. She is my friend. वो मेरी दोस्त है. She is my friend. She is amazing. वो बहुत जबरदस्त है. She is amazing. I love her. मैं उसे प्यार करती हूँ. I love her. She will leave one day. वो एक दिन चली जाएगी. She will leave one day. She eats my food. वो मेरा खाना खाती है. She eats my food. She wears my clothes. वो मेरे कपड़े पहनती है. She wears my clothes. She argues with me. वो मुझसे बहस करती है. She argues with me. She asks mother for money. वो मेरी माँ से पैसे मांगती है. She asks my mother for money. She is special. वो खास है. She is special. We go to the park. हम साथ पार्क में जाते हैं. We go to the park. She goes shopping. वो शॉपिंग करने जाती है. She goes shopping. She plays with her friends. वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलती है. She plays with her friends. She gets in trouble. वो मुसीबत में पड़ जाती है. She gets in trouble. She always on her phone. वो हमेशा अपने फोन में रहती है. She's always on her phone. She plays with her cat. वो अपने बिल्ली के साथ खेलती है. She plays with her cat. She loves animals. वो जानवरों से मोहब्बत करती है. She loves animals. She helps the poor. वो गरीबों की मदद करती है. She helps the poor. She is always eating. वो हमेशा खाती रहती है. She is always eating. She loves sweets. इसे मिठाइयाँ पसंद है. She loves sweets. She helps around the house. वो घर के काम काज करती है. She helps around the house. She can make a cake. वो केक बना सकती है. She can make a cake. She cares a lot. वो बहुत ख्याल रखती है. She cares a lot. She holds my hand. वो मेरा हाथ पकड़ती है. She holds my hand. She sometimes gets hurt. उसे कभी कभी तकलीफ होती है. She sometimes gets